Hey there guys, and welcome to my first video to this channel. In this video I want to show you a simple way that you can make your Android phone, in my case I have a Pixel 4a, looks like an iPhone, literally the latest iPhone with the latest stuff. So what you want to do is go to Play Store and here just type iOS 13, iOS Launcher 13. Install the first application here, and then I want you to scroll down here until you see notifications. And no, you can actually find there's a easy way to do it. Once it's installed, you just open the app. It will appear like this. You will get some ads, of course, because you know what would be a phone without an ad? Well, an app without an ad. So you go to Control Center and it will ask you to install an application. Once you install it, you will have the Control Center here. So it will be like in this corner here. So you'll get all the settings, all the things, literally everything works from the iOS Control Center. Once you open the app, the phone will ask you, what do you want? Which one do you want to use as a default? I'm just going to hit just once because I don't want this as default. But that's the easiest way to get iOS 14 on your Android phone. Literally you get even the animation and stuff like that. So you get every single thing here. Looks the same, feels the same, folders the same. With the folder you'll have to change the wallpaper because you can actually customize everything. So when you open, you customize the wallpaper for the folders and stuff like that. But yeah, that's the easy way. Hope you guys like it. See you guys soon. Peace.